today we're going to cook up some cabbage, some onions, some carrots, some eggs with oyster sauce. So let's see how it goes. Our woks are warming up. Nice. Okay. This one is going to be for all my veggies, and we're going to do the egg in this one. So we're going to heat this up. Put a little oil in there. Not much. A little bit in there. I just don't want the egg to stick. That's all. Okay, let's put our onions in. Get them going. The cabbage. Okay. We're just going to let that cook down. Keep stirring it, keep moving it, let it cook down. Okay. And we'll throw our carrots in. What the heck? We'll put it all in. Since I like pepper, we're going to throw some pepper in there. Okay. Smells good. Throw our egg in there. Let that go for a little bit. Move it around. Let that cook. Okay, the egg is cooked. That's how I want it. Chunky like. By the way, that's 4 little eggs. Okay, it's time to add my oyster sauce. And give this a mix. Now while this finishes cooking, I'm going to add my eggs. Right now it's just finishing. The eggs are there, everything's there. We're going to let that go for just a minute. Plate it. scrambled egg with some cabbage, carrots, and onion, and some oyster sauce for flavoring, with a little pepper, of course. Ooh, yeah.